A couple people that watch my videos asked if I could do some home renovation videos like I used to do, big time, but I just do small time stuff now. I fixed a drain last night, BFD. I had a cat helping me. Anyhow, so what I'm doing now, I'm going to make this real short. I'm not going to show you the whole deal. I'm changing the configuration of the lights and outlets in my bathroom because I used to have a light switch here and a receptacle right beside it. And I decided that I wanted to have a lamp above the toilet right here. So I drilled a hole, ran a wire into the closet in the bedroom right behind the bathroom, and I configured it so that this light turns on with the overhead lamp, which has cobwebs on it. Need to vacuum that. And this one turns on with a nightlight switch. So I was thinking I could wire this hot and put a switch here, either a little pull chain or a little turn switch. And I thought, well, that's kind of low tech, low budget. So I thought, well, I could run the wire all the way back here and fish it behind the door. And this door jamb was tight to the wires. So I got out my hacksaw blade and I hacked with a fine blade with tape on the handle, just like you'd have in prison. And I hacked this so I could remove this door casing or door jamb because it was put in before the tiles were put in place. So to move the door jamb away, either you remove the tile or you cut this down. So it took me about an hour back and forth with the saw. I actually have a better saw for this, but I didn't have it here and I wasn't going to go and get it. So I cut this cedar, then I removed the door jamb. Yeah, we got cobwebs. And I fished a new wire from the lamp all the way back to here. I removed the outlet, which was identified by the half switch, half outlet cover. And I put a switch in, so now, if we turn everything off, I've got a night light right there, which I can control by a switch by the door, which is the way it needs to be. And then I can turn on the overhead light with a switch right next to it and turn on these overhead lights and the ones here on the mirror, which flicker from time to time. They're full voltage, or maybe there's a transformer. Oh yeah, I don't know, whatever. They flicker once in a while. I put new LEDs in from Amazon, and once in a while they flicker. Once in a while, not always. So now I've got overhead light, so I can read on the toilet, and a night light. Pretty cool, huh? And I got my old radio here, my Panasonic that I bought for $10 at the flea market, and I have a thermometer. I don't know where it came from, but look at this, Taylor USA comfort meter. Beautiful. Yeah, they probably made these. Looks like a piece of walnut by the millions. I just bought a new phone charger, an Anchor that you set your phone onto, and it charges it radioactively. And I bought a little speaker at Walmart. And I've got to put this receptacle back into place now. I pulled that out because I ran my hot wire for a receptacle behind or beside the toilet right there. So now I can plug my cell phone in. And then I was thinking, I've got these I bought for an apartment I used to live in. I bought these USB outlets, tamper resistant. Can't stick a paper clip in. But they're white. I got a whole bunch of them. When I moved, I took them with. They're $25 each. So do I want to put a white receptacle there or a brown cover with a white receptacle? Or do I just put a brown receptacle, which is right over here, with a brown cover? I'm not going to be buying these. I've already got 5 or 6. I'm not sure if they charge as well. It says Class 2 something CV. I can't read it. Anyhow, so we're doing stuff. And I drilled my hole for the pan box and I went past the line a fraction there, but I've already got indentations from previous owners or tenants, all kinds of crap in the wall. Here's a big hole. Don't know where that came from or what it does, so I'm going to put a mirror here. You can't look at it, well, unless you're peeing if you're a guy. Oh, there goes one of the lights flickering. Yeah, it was just flickering. Yeah. I don't know if you caught it. Well, the camera may catch LED lights in a different way. It may have a flicker no matter what. So that's my home renovation job. If any of you like to do home renovations, I do. I don't get paid to do it. It's my own log cabin. Pure logs, cedar logs from British Columbia. Yep. Gotta vacuum up the cobwebs. Got lots of them. We'll get her done. I was hoping to have some bluegrass music.
BARB.org. That's BARB at
I'm going to pause this for a minute.
Coming up next, several singles. That's the latest trend in music releases. The artist releases
All right.
from the Family Sowell and Jason Berry.
I'll probably get a copyright strike.
Show,
Jeez.
Wildmans and
Copyright
Backgrounds.
strike.
So here's the Family Sowell with Good Place.
Get down. Do, 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 do. How did I know? All right, we're just sampling.
Clara played her baby grand, made the world fade away.
All right, enough of that. I've got to finish this job off and get that back in so it can be flush when I put the cover on. Got to do a nice job. Perfection. That's all I demand.